Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Growing Guitar. We have Jaden here with a song called Stray. Okay, so we're going to look at different parts here. First, the melody that goes around in the verse play, but also then straight strumming in the pre-chorus and chorus. So yeah, let's enjoy this together. Jaden's Stray. And we don't need any capo for this one. Alright, so we're going to go right into the chords. And we're going to use the D F chord. That means it's a D chord, but with an F sharp in the bass. What I do here, because we're gonna switch between that and the B minor, is that I play a bar here on the 2nd fret and a bar actually 5 strings there. You don't need that for the D F chord, but I have that in preparation for the next B minor chord. So I play a bar on the 2nd fret from the A string and down. That means all strings except from the last E string here in the bass, so 5 strings. And then for the D F, I hold the 4th fret on D string and 3rd fret on B. And I'm playing just from the D string and down. That's the D F chord, and then I keep that bar and I go over to the B minor and play this. So I keep the bar there in the same spot here, and then I just add 4th fret on D, which I already have here from the D F, then 4th on G, and 3rd on B. D F to B minor. So that's the 2 chords, and then we have the G and E minor still. So the G is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. And the final chord is E minor. So that is open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. So there we have all the chords needed for this song. So we're gonna look at this melody. So what I do here, I keep that bar on the 2nd fret and the same strings there from the A string and down. And then I have the 4th fret on D and 4th on G. That's the grip I'm holding when I'm playing this melody. So you're gonna go from D F based melody to the B minor. So the first D F goes like this. So that is 2 times on the 4th fret D string, then 2nd B, then back to 4th D, then 2nd B, 3rd B, and then 2nd E. And that's the D F chord. And then we're gonna go to the B minor. So you're gonna stay with this grip here and gonna play. So that is 2 times on the 2nd fret A string, then 2nd B, then 2nd A, then 2nd and 3rd and back to 2nd on the B string. So I'm using the hammer-on and pull-off technique. I pick the first 2nd fret B string, then I hammer on the 3rd with my fretboard hand, and I pull off to get back to the 2nd B string. I'm not using my picking hand here, my right hand, to do the next 2, just the first B string, 2nd fret. And then my fretboard hand is using and utilizing the power there to hammer on and pull off to get the notes there. So 2nd, 3rd, and back to 2nd on B string, and then you just end with 4th on G string. And that is the B minor melody. So slowly. Right? So that is what's going on here in the verse play. You can also combine that with the strumming, and now we're gonna learn that. So if you go to the D F chord, hold that. 1 string around will be down, up, clap, up, down, up. Okay, so this is of course a full band playing here. I'm just a guitar player, but anyway, that is pretty much how close you can come with one guitar. So down, up, clap, up, down, up. You're gonna play one of these string rounds per chord. You're gonna go back and forth between D, F, and the B minor. So back and forth like that. Then you have the pre-chorus. You're gonna continue with the strumming. So you're gonna play G 2 rounds, E minor 2 rounds, and then you do that for 2 chord progression rounds. So G2, E minor 2, G2, E minor 2, like this. Another round. And then you go to the chorus play. And guess what? The chorus play is the same as the verse play. D, F1, B minor 1, back and forth like that. And that is all you need to handle Jaden's Stray. So I hope you enjoyed this, guys. And if you did, please give me some feedback on this one and support me here on Goran Guitar. Till next time, play tuned.